Okay, nice. I'm not late. Gotta move faster, I might be getting scolded for being late. Anyway, I need to log in first. Hope I won't be working much today. Alright, let's go. Interesting. I'll put you aside first. This also. What just happened? A button. Whoa. What are these? Wait, these are patterns in nature.
Nature is full of patterns all around us, in the sky, in the land, and even in animals. These patterns make the world look beautiful and organized, like a secret design hiding in plain sight. Do you want to find out the kinds of patterns we can discover in nature?
Sure, why not?
Bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry means two sides look the same, like when you fold a paper in half, or look at both wings of a butterfly.
Nice.
Fracture. A fracture happens when something breaks apart or cracks into pieces, like when a rock or glass splits.
That's sharp.
Reflection symmetry. Reflection symmetry is like looking in a mirror. What's on one side shows again on the other side, just like your own face.
Oh, I see.
Stripes. Stripes are lines standing side by side. Some go up and down, some go across, just like the black and white stripes on a zebra.
Looks neat.
Foam. Foam is made of so many tiny bubbles, all stuck together on top of water, like the white froth we see at the seashore.
So fluffy.
Wave. A wave goes up then down, and sometimes it curves too, just like the waves we see moving on the water at the beach.
Wow, cool.
Bubble. A bubble is just one round shiny ball of air, floating light and smooth, and it can pop anytime.
Pop. Fun.
Spots. Spots are tiny dots here and there. They can be round or uneven, like the spots on a cheetah or a ladybug.
Cute dots.
Crack. A crack is a broken line that splits something apart. We see it on dry ground or on the bark of an old tree.
Yikes, broken.
Mender. A mender is a path that curves and bends, never straight, always winding, like the way a river moves through the land.
So twisty.
Spiral. A spiral is a shape that goes round and round, getting bigger or smaller as it turns, like the shell of a snail.
Roundy round.
Fractal. Fractals are shapes that repeat again and again, each time smaller but still the same pattern, like the branches of trees or snowflakes.
Endless shapes.
Tessellation. Tessellation is when shapes fit together perfectly, with no gaps and no overlaps, like the neat honeycomb of bees.
Fits well.
Radial symmetry. Radial symmetry means parts spread out from the center, like the petals of a flower or the rays of a shining sun.
All around. Wow, patterns in nature are everywhere. So cool to see them all.